In this vlog, we are going to review Issy & Company's holiday collection. We have the cream blushes and the lip mousse. But let's begin with the makeup serum. I was so amazed by the gold flakes, but when I started to spread it, it seems that a little goes a long way. This serum is not to be used as a replacement for primer. It says in the bottle, so I still use the primer before applying foundation and setting powder. Next up, I'm gonna use the cream blushes. First, the shade Brunette for contour. I really love it when my contour blends seamlessly with my blush. Seeing that they come from the same collection, I felt like they would blend well, so I'm hoping for best results. Now applying the shade Tutu on the apples of my cheeks. I then dragged it upwards and then added what's left on the brush under my eyes to give my nose a little more pinch. Finally, the lip mousse in the shade Fatale. As you might have noticed, I kinda have dark and dry lips, but this lippy glides smoothly and is really pigmented. Overall, what I really loved is the serum because I didn't get more pimples after filming this. I usually get pimples after doing a vlog, so I must say that it really did well saving my skin. As for the contour and blush, what do you think? Did we achieve the seamless blend that we were aiming for? Comment down your thoughts, and if you have any questions about the products, I'd be glad to answer them as well. See you in the next video!